Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I just wanted to do a little project share with you all because I know I did this on live, but I needed to, make sure I document this. And I made a little changes to my project. So I did I don't know, I think I shared this on my live. I'm not 100% sure. But anyway, this little curio cabinet I picked up from Urban Gems, and that is Nurse Tara 04's her little online shop. If you guys want to go check her out, she does carry a few wooden pieces every now and then, but she has a new sale going on. It's a Halloween sale. You might want to go check her out for all those goodies. The other thing is, I used my Doodlebug collection that I had purchased last year, 2 years ago. And that's what I used to decorate my little curio cabinet. And I used the Chit Chats. I used some acetate to add our little stars and stuff. And some of the little, what are these called? Confettis, ghost confettis that I've had from shaker stuff, shaker mixes. This little doodlebug spider. I had some candies that I have in my stash in the background right here. These are candy beads, and I added those. The other little candy back in the inside, way back there, is the Christmas ornaments for the My Little Christmas Tree or whatever from Hobby Lobby. These macarons, I've hauled those a while back from My Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio, something like that. And then this jar here, I added a spider. It's hard to see with this lighting, but what it is, it's confetti, the confetti spiders that you get from, I think you got it from Hobby Lobby or no, Michael's or Dollar Tree, one of those two, I don't know. Anyway, it's in my stash. What I did, I layered them up. There's several layers of spiders to make it thick because I didn't have a spider that size to fit in the jar. So the person who's going to receive this will be able to see it. And these little bat sequins I received in a mix. I don't remember who, but I saved them, and then that's where I added them. So they're here just around my curio. And then up here on the edge, I added an eye screw right up here. I got that eye screw also from Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio. And this is my little cotton candy, Halloween cotton candy that I made a while back. And I just dangled it here. And it has a few Heishi beads and a little heart charm. And this little guy is a sticker, and I just added him to some cardstock. And then I just attached him. I'll show you how I attached him. So I used some of my foam, stuck it to the back of the cardstock, and then I glued the foam to the curio. Here you can see I just added some sequins on the sides to decorate it. And same goes with the backing. I used the little foam sheets from Hobby Lobby. They're a little thicker, and you can see how I cut it, and I just attached it to one part of the ephemera piece. And then all of these are Chit Chats from the Halloween collection that I used. And all of those little images right here, these are all stickers, and I put them on cardstock, and then I just attached it again using the foam core method. And this is a little cake embellishment, cabochon, whatever you want to call it. I just glued it right to the cabinet. So you got the popcorn back here, you got the pumpkin, you got little candy corns, and then the spooky candied apples there. So these down here are beads, and I just they're not beads, they're cabochons, and I just hot glued them to the cabinet. And then I added two little pumpkin sequences back here. right on top of them just to make them look a little more Halloween-y. This is one of the ephemeras. There's more of the candy corn stickers. These are all stickers, and I just put them on the cardstock. Now these little clay pieces, they came in a sequin mix from Nurse Tara. When I received my order, I saved it, and then I just added it to the cotton candy. Just glued it on there, basically trying to mimic what I did with my cotton candy right there. Then I just added some more chit chat pieces and some ephemera pieces, and the cabinet does open. I added 2 little cotton candy charms in here. So there's one and there's another. And then on this one, I added a bunch of the mini Dollar Tree jars with the cork. And I just added some itty bitty sequences that would fit into it. Here's some orange sequins. They look like eyeballs to me. And then here's some star glitter, like gold ones. And then here is some clay pieces. Actually, this is candy, sugar candy from Christian's Crafty Adventures. So here's some silver star sequences also. And at first I wanted to display them on the shelf, but I was like, you know, I don't want to glue them down to keep them there because in transport, you know. So what I will do is I will put these all in here in the cabinet so that the recipient will be able to take it out and use them. And I'll stuff some tissue right up into the space so that it doesn't move around so much. And then yeah, so this piece came raw wood, and I painted it that beautiful color. The other piece that I wanted to share, because this was all on live, I made this little dangle piece. There's my cotton candy again at the bottom, and wanted to share my shrink-a-dinks that I was doing with you guys. They came out adorable. They're itty bitty, teeny weeny. Love it. And then these charms came from Rhoda, who's the Happy Little Corner on Instagram, and that's how she sells her beads, and she usually sells on Instagram. So these beads came from Rhoda, and so did the little witch hat. And these beads here also came from Rhoda. This little one right here that looks like a pumpkin. And that's about it. The rest are from my stash. This is from Rhoda too, this bead right here. The black with the orange and the star. This one is from my stash. I hauled this one from Amazon. And that is it. Then put some Heishi bead down here with the little seed bead. This little clip, this clip is from Amazon. The star eyelet is from Amazon. And then my shaker mix, I threw in some candies, some spiders, and some of my Cartwright sequences in there. Even though it looks more, I don't know, I love it. And so the little orange flowers came from Rhoda. The pumpkins came from Rhoda. And so did the I can't think, the cats. I can't think. All right, and so it's just the same mix that I added to the top is in the front panel here, and then the back also. Look at that beautiful mix. Like, I love that. It's so gorgeous. There's a little bit of everything in there. Cats and spider webs and candies. All kinds of goodies. I made a ruffle trim. Oh, no, I didn't make the ruffle trim. This ruffle trim is from Ebony, who is the crafty girl on Instagram, and that's where she sells her trims. And then this rosette was gifted to me from my birthday last year. Was it last year? And then this little frame, the crown, the skull, and the bow are all hot glue clay mold, hot glue molds. They are hot glue that I put into the molds. And then I just use the gold pen to add the little touch of gold on there. And I made like 2 little embellishment pieces. So the spider webs came from Ebony, who is the crafty girl again. These were freebies from her when I ordered my trim. I ordered this from her, and these were gifts from her. The rosettes I made with my Cricut, and these are Dollar Tree stickers, and then I just added gold thread behind the stickers. I love how these stickers came out. They are gorgeous from Dollar Tree, and I added it here. Oh, and I just used leftover acetate that I had from, acetate laminate with the sequin mixes from my previous swap. So this is a gift that's going to be going out soon to a friend. This is so cute. I hope that she enjoys it as much as I did making it. So that is part of what I wanted to send to her. And then I'm going to also send her this cutie patootie memory decks card. This is also hot glue. And I think I did this on live with you all. Make the little pumpkin shaker here. And I used one of the stickers, added it to this glitter printable cardstock right there behind it. I used some of my orange crepe paper to make a ruffle for the background, and then I just added some of the images that I stamped and cut out last year, and I'm finally getting to use it. And this is a glue gun, a glue stick bat, and so is this little tiny star. So yes, I love, love, love how it came out. And these are my stickles. I use little stickle dots all the way around the pumpkin. So yeah, and then I just added a little note on the back. I hope my recipient loves this. I have to just wrap these up and send it out. And also going to her will be my little pumpkin. This is the Dollar Tree treat sack, and I used just shopping bags to stuff it so it's nice and soft. And then this is all the glue gun molds again, the bow, the hand, and then the jemmy is just from my stash. This is a Dollar Tree pick. The bat is the glue gun mold again. I love it. And these fabrics all came from Dollar Tree, guys. So that is it for this project share, and I hope my recipient loves it. I will see you all on the next video.